Hi, I'm Chris from needlepointers.com. As a follow-up to our cute Yo-yo Snowman ornaments, I have this Yo-yo Santa ornament tutorial to share with you. I found this vintage Santa ornament made from yo-yos in my ornament box. I have a lot of old ornaments made by my grandmother. I used this ornament as inspiration for this new updated Yo-yo Santa ornament. I showed you how to make this Yo-yo Snowman ornament a few months ago. I decided that we needed a Santa ornament too. The Santa ornament is adorable and easy to make. It would make a cute ornament for an ornament exchange or as holiday gifts. Add one to a gift with a tag for an additional decoration. Keep watching to learn how to make the Santa ornament. The Santa ornament is made from yo-yos. Several months ago, I showed you how easy it is to make yo-yos with these Clover Yo-yo Makers. Please look in the description of this video for a link to the previous video on how to make yo-yos using the Clover Yo-yo Makers. What you will need to make these Santa ornaments is some black and red fabric, Clover Yo-yo Makers. You'll need a small green one that's 30 millimeters and a large orange one that is 45 millimeters. Red and black threads, a sewing needle, a craft a yard needle, scissors, and a wooden bead with faces kit. This includes beads for faces, the hat, the ball, twine, and some ribbon. Please visit the link in the description below to find the tutorial on how to make yo-yos and the supplies needed for this project. The first step is to make your yo-yos. You don't have to use the Clover Yo-yo Maker to make your yo-yos, but I find it easy to make them with these makers. Using the black and red fabric, needle, and thread, make 3 large yo-yos from the red fabric, 1 large yo-yo from the black fabric, and 2 small yo-yos from the red fabric. The finished size of the larger yo-yos are 1 3/4 inch wide, and the smaller yo-yos are 1 1/4 inch wide. Next, we're going to stack the yo-yos in order to make the Santa. The top side of the yo-yo is the gathered side, and the bottom is the flat side. Stack one of the small red yo-yos facing down, a large red yo-yo facing down, a large black yo-yo facing up, 2 large red yo-yos facing up, and then the last small yo-yo facing up. Cut a 16-inch length of the twine that was included in the beads and faces kit. Fold the twine in half. Thread the 2 ends into a craft needle that has a large eye. You'll have a loop at the end of the twine. This will become the loop to hang the ornament. Tie a knot approximately 3 inches from the end of the loop. Start by threading the white round bead for the poof or puff on Santa's hat. This one can be a little bit hard to work through, but if you work it around and move the twine around a bit, you should be able to get it through. Took me a minute, but I was able to work it through. Next, place the red cone bead with the smaller side first. We're assembling Santa upside down, so we want to put the beads on upside down. Next, place the Santa face bead upside down onto the needle and thread it up. So now I have his hat and his face. Next, we're going to start to thread the yo-yos onto the twine, starting with the top of the stack. The top of the stack has 2 red ones. It may also be a little bit difficult to initially get your needle through the fabric, but just work it back and forth until you get it through. So I put them through the center of the yo-yo and out the back of the yo-yo, and then work it back and forth a bit and pull it up. Push all the beads up so there's no gaps. You don't want to squish them too much, but just get them together so they're all snug. And we're almost done. Remove the needle from the twine and tie a knot close to the end of the Santa. The knot should go up into the last yo-yo a little bit, and you can trim off the extra. And your yo-yo Santa is now complete. We hope you enjoyed learning how to make these yo-yo Santa ornaments. If you would like to see our tutorial on how to make yo-yos, click the link in the description of this video. We will also have photos, step-by-step instructions, and links to purchase the Yo-Yo Makers on the web page for this project. Like and share our videos, and if you're not a subscriber, subscribe to our channel so you won't miss future videos. Visit our website, needlepointers.com, for lots of other Christmas tutorials and free projects. While you're there, sign up for our free weekly newsletter so you won't miss new tutorials. Happy crafting!